Now I invite Mr. Arun Ravindran from Faridian Technologies to please come up on stage and say a few words.
Respected dignitaries, my dear friends, future managers, and I would like to add one more salutation to that, future entrepreneurs. I would see quite a few entrepreneurs. The reason I added this particular word was I passed out of a smaller MBA college 6 years back, and this word was never heard of. It was future managers. But down the line, in the last 6 years or so, what has happened is people are avoiding jobs and trying to start something on their own. So that is what we did 5 years back. And that is the reason probably I am standing here in front of you to give a short speech. I understand it's very difficult to be on the other side because 6 years back I was sitting somewhere on the last row. And I would wait when the inauguration would get over because there used to be a long speech, it would be at least 15-20 minutes. So I try to keep it very short. I will not bore you guys much. And among the sponsors, we would probably be the youngest company. We're just 5 years old. And it's been a pleasure to be part of Infusion 2014 and be a partner as the striker sponsors for the management events. As I said, I would not like to give too much of Gyan because what I'm doing right now is I'm in front of the smartest guys around, and probably many would be much smarter than me, so I don't want to take a chance to give any Gyan. I'll just give a small introduction to what our company is. We are a company of a small team. We are a 33-member company, out of which 6 of us started this company 5 years back. And we started at a place called as Kasaragod, and the only person who knew that place was Director Professor Rameshan. So he also hails from the same place. So I was very surprised and indeed very happy that there was one person who knew where the company actually started from. And we are based out of Bangalore now, and we are into the field of providing cloud campus management software to institutions. We do have quite a few institutions using our software, more than 50,000 around the world, and prestigious institutions like IIM Indore and IIT BH are part of it now. Why Infusion 2014? Because we had a tight decision to make between two institutions. One was IIM Rohtak and another was IIM Kharagpur, IIT Kharagpur rather. The reason why we opted for IIM Rohtak was which is very specific to management institutions, was a quick decision making. Because as a company, we wanted decision to happen on the same day. This would be the amount and this would be the deliverables, which the other institutions couldn't do. And Ajay was quite quick. He took just 15 minutes to get back to me and say, yes, the deal is closed. So that is what interested. And we have a great future for the institution as well. And another reason why we actually went for, in fact, sponsoring this event, because I hope most of you would actually know about Mr. Y.S. Rajan. He was trusted lieutenant of Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. So I had a chance to attend a function which was presided over by him, and he asked us, we were all just a year old when we started the company, and he asked us, why do you want to start why did you start the company? Most of the startups told, we want to do something for the society. And the next answer what he gave was nonsense. Because first do something for yourself, then think about the society. But when the present generation wouldn't buy that, but to an extent that's true, because you will have to stand on your feet and then try to do something for the society. And the reason we opted was, to be very frank, ROI. That is what most of the institutions students would know, return on investment. So we hope both of us are benefited out of it. You guys have done a great job organizing a fest of this magnitude, and we definitely have been benefited with this association. I would have to thank the team, starting from Ajay, Suresh, who escorted me all the way from Delhi airport, and all the other guys around for the wonderful hospitality. It has been great being part of you. And I'd like to add a small word, rather a small thing, because I was talking to Mr. Suresh. I hope he is there somewhere around.
Close.
Okay. Okay, so I thought I should add this. I just asked him what makes IIM different. So what I said was we are stressed. We have no choice to be stressed out till 11, and after 11 p.m. And after 11 p.m. it's your choice whether if you want to be stressed out or not. So I hope you have a wonderful stressed out management festival, and I hope you enjoy the fest. And thank you for the wonderful hospitality.